specifically the organs. Okay? It's like, for example, the sweater I'm wearing. This is a heart. That's anatomy. Okay? That's a vessel. These are vessels. That's anatomy. Anatomy is just pointing to the parts and saying what they are. That's it. Okay? Like, for example, the anatomy of my watch, this is the glass. The hands, those are the little hands that move. This is the band. That's the anatomy of my watch. Just the parts that make the watch, like the parts that make you. The organs are the anatomy, the parts that make you. Any questions? No? Okay. Okay, can anybody remember what physiology means?
How they work.
How they work. Exactly. So next to physiology, if you're taking notes, is put work or function, whichever one you remember better. So anatomy are the parts themselves. Physiology is how they all work together. So again, going back to my watch, the anatomy of my watch, the band, this is the band. That's the anatomy. Like I'm just pointing to parts and saying what they are. This is the glass, the cover. These are the hands that move, right? That's the anatomy. The inside, the gears inside, that's the anatomy, the individual gears. The physiology is how those gears work together to make the hands move, okay? So anatomy are the parts, physiology is how they work together to make the watch go round and round. So that's how the body is. Anatomy are the organs, physiology is how they work together. Any questions? Nope, all right. Pretty straightforward, right? All right, so what we're gonna go over